On busy Columbus Circle in New York is headquarters for the Runyon Cancer Fund. Treasurer of the fund, Walter Winchell, thanks Bror Dahlberg, donor of the prefabricated house, which will be given to the author of the winning cancer slogan. Movie star Margaret O'Brien is present for the ceremonies and gets ready for a free ride over the threshold. It's a 4-room cottage Margaret is inspecting. It was erected in 48 hours and grounds were landscaped in the same time. Hundreds view the prize house and leave donations for the battle against cancer, to which the great newspaperman succumbed. His memory carries on the fight. The rainy weather, 100,000 gather in Central Park to hear David Sarnoff and others in a mass citizenship rally. I Am an American Day is celebrated. America's new citizens are welcomed by Mayor O'Dwyer. Here is stirring testimonial that freedom and democracy remain cherished symbols of a vital and vigilant nation. We honor those who pledge allegiance to safeguard our liberties, our blessings of heritage and history. Many races and religions can say with pride, I am an American. On St. Joseph's Day, Valencia celebrates the traditional Fallas festival. Everybody takes part. Nobody misses a sight of the grotesque statues, fallas, each one a biting satire on life in Valencia. Clay, stucco, paper, and wood are employed in the construction of the huge figures which poke good-natured fun at the frailties of human nature. Artisans have worked for many weeks to assemble the fallas, and at the close of the festivities, firecrackers herald their destruction. Through 4 centuries, Valencia has thus honored Joseph, the city's favorite saint. At midnight, the torch is put to the fires. Vivid climax to a day of festival. Into ashes go the work of weeks, but nobody mourns. This is part of the show, and a colorful one it is.